uh, Dengukson Temple. Punta kami ngayon sa Mason Central. Ayun naman tawag dito? Prison. Kita mo yung ticket. Okay na lang, bahala magbasa. We are on the Main Street.
We are at the train street dito sa Hanoi. 7:10 pa yung yung daan ng unang train. Kasi kapag weekdays daw pala. Tuwing gabi lang dumadaan yung train.
It's huge. Sleeper ba siya? Kasi higaan. Hindi natin pare sarap. Tapos may sipit. Kami sa train papuntang sa bato? Principal. Ito yung view. Monorail train. Sa mga umuulan na.
Pansipan. Ito yung pinuntahan namin after the monorail before mag-cable car.
We spent about 30 minutes exploring the floral garden before we finally get to ride the cable car.
Roller coaster, ano na, Ferris wheel. Sarap na kami ng cable car. Bye-bye.
We're inside the cable car. It's a little bit scary. But look at the view.
We felt really lucky because maganda yung weather during this time and we get to see this beautiful view from the cable car of Sapa. Pero as you can see in the video, habang pataas kami ng pataas, kumakapal din yung fog during this time.
We're at the summit of Fansipan.
The highest peak of Indochina. Pero puro fog yung makikita.
Ayan, flag.
Yung view. That's fine.
The
We
brighter
got
good.
here.
And syempre hindi tayo bababa ng Fansipan without doing this.
As you can see guys, meron din silang rice terraces. Just like what we have in the north. In Ifugao, diba? It's a thing in Southeast Asia. Welcome to Katkat Village!
Tumayo sa akin.
Grabe yung pabango mo eh. Grabe yung ano yung ginagawa nila sa village. Saan sila ng beans, diba? Yung ginagawa rin natin yun kapag naglilinis tayo ng bigas.
Roller coaster, ay alpine coaster.
Alpine coaster. Binili namin good for ano na 2 rides.
Nakaban kami pero unti lang. Ito yung view ng ano, alpine coaster. Bentas.
Pwede makikita.
Put down on the way, on the top. Okay?
Okay.
Your hand. Your hand.
Pwede yung pag-ano dati. Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Naka-gimbal lock.
Lakad-lakad lang tayo.
Nakakatawa yan.
Past 5 PM na tayo Past 5 PM na kami nakarating dito. Ito yung yung sikat na swing. Tapos yan yung view mo habang nagsiswing ka. Diba? It's already 6 PM. So maghahanap na kami ngayon ng lunch and dinner actually. Kasi ang nilunch lang namin ay sausage sa Katkat Village for 40 pesos. But for some strange reason, I'm not really hungry. Kasi maybe nabusog na yung tiyan ko sa view.
Meron pa pala isa pa dito ang gano'n, no? Ay, later. Ay.
Yan na yung pinuntahan natin kanina yan. Nag-picture din kami dyan sa spot na yan. Look at that view. Another photo spot. Yan yung isa sa mga sikat dito, yun na yung kamay.
Kita ka pa talaga?
Yep. Another popular photo spot here. That's Moana Sapa. Sobrang Instagrammable itong cafe na to.
The belly, we do not touch the head. It will be a little spread, okay? And when you guys look on the wall, you will see about 2,000 statue of Buddha like this. It was made by bronze and
Okay, okay lang.
We are at Ilocos River, the bay. Trang-an.
Lubak.
Trang-an boat ride. I think there are two popular options.
Driver.
The one is Tamkok and the other one is Trang-an. This is Trang-an.
Magulog yan. Grabe, kanina yung stress, no? Sigawan.
Because tomorrow is a national holiday.
roasted duck of Don Duck.
It's a Michelin recognized restaurant here in Hanoi.
With its
Duck
what do you call
sauce.
this? Duck sauce.
So good. It's actually our second time eating here because it's that good. Ang sarap. Malasa siya. Tapos i-dip it sa sauce and then you eat it with rice. Of course, Pinoy tayo eh. So good.
Okay, good. Pwede nyo rin isabaw sa kanin yung duck sauce actually.
Which is ginagawa ko.